Hello, dear reader. Have you ever thought about the power of a place? How a certain city or a small town can hold a special memory? In the world of romance novels, settings aren't just backdrops, they are characters themselves, shaping the story just like the people who inhabit them. Imagine a grand ballroom, glittering with chandeliers and the promise of a waltz. Or a secluded beach, waves whispering secrets as a couple steals a first kiss. These settings don't just set the scene, they amplify the emotions, the longing, the joy of falling in love. In my own stories, I've always been drawn to settings that feel real, that breathe life into the characters and their relationships. Remember the picturesque countryside in Me Before You? The rolling hills and charming village became an essential part of Lou and Will's journey, a silent witness to their unique love story. As we delve deeper into the world of romantic settings, we'll explore how authors use them to create unforgettable love stories. Get ready to be transported to bustling cities, quaint towns, and exotic islands, all in the name of love. Some love stories are forever intertwined with history, the setting whispering tales of the past as the romance unfolds. Think of Diana Gabaldon's Outlander, where the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands becomes a character itself. The ancient stones, misty moors, and castles shrouded in legend create an atmosphere of mystery and adventure, mirroring Claire and Jamie's passionate, time-defying romance. The setting isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing entity, shaping their destinies with each passing season. Or consider The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna, a story of courage and resilience set against the backdrop of Nazi-occupied France. The war-torn villages, the whispering resistance, the constant threat of danger, they all heighten the emotional stakes of the love story. In these novels, history isn't just a backdrop, it's a force that shapes the characters and their relationships, reminding us that love can bloom even in the darkest of times. The setting becomes a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Cities, with their vibrant energy and endless possibilities, offer a different kind of romantic backdrop. Think of Sophie Kinsella's Can You Keep a Secret, where the bustling streets of London become a playground for love. The city's iconic landmarks, hidden cafes, and charming bookshops create a sense of endless possibility, mirroring the character's journey of self-discovery and unexpected romance. The urban landscape becomes a tapestry of chance encounters and stolen moments. Or consider The Time Traveler's Wife by Audrey Niffenegger, where Chicago's distinct neighborhoods and cultural landmarks witness the complexities of a love story unbound by time. The city, with its blend of old and new, becomes a metaphor for the couple's unconventional relationship. In these urban romances, the city is more than just a location. It's a dynamic force that brings people together, throws obstacles in their path, and ultimately shapes the course of their love story. Sometimes the most heartwarming love stories unfold in the unlikeliest of places, far from the bright lights and bustling crowds. Think of The Notebook by Nicholas Sparks, where the charm of a sleepy southern town sets the stage for a timeless love story. The creaky porch swings, fireflies twinkling in the night, and the languid pace of life create an atmosphere of nostalgia and romance, reminding us of the enduring power of first love. The setting becomes a haven from the outside world, a place where love can flourish. Or consider Call Me By Your Name by Andre Ackerman, where the sun-drenched Italian countryside becomes a sensual backdrop for a passionate summer romance. The lush vineyards, cobblestone streets, and secluded swimming holes create a world of intoxicating beauty, mirroring the characters' awakening desires. These stories remind us that love can blossom anywhere, even in the most unexpected corners of the world. The setting, with its unique charm and tranquility, becomes an escape, a place where hearts can heal and new beginnings can unfold. As we've seen, the setting in a romance novel can be much more than just a backdrop. It can be a powerful force that shapes the characters, drives the plot, and evokes a range of emotions. In many ways, the setting becomes a character itself, a silent protagonist that plays a crucial role in the love story. Think of The Desolate Beauty of the Australian Outback in The Thornbirds by Colleen McCullough, a story of forbidden love set against a vast and unforgiving landscape. The Outback, with its harsh beauty and isolation, becomes a metaphor for the characters' internal struggles and the challenges they face in their pursuit of love. Or consider the magical realism of Like Water for Chocolate by Laura Esquivel, where the setting is infused with Mexican folklore and the intoxicating aromas of the family kitchen. The kitchen, with its simmering pots and magical recipes, becomes a place where emotions are heightened, secrets are revealed, and love is expressed through the art of cooking. In these novels, the setting is more than just a place. It's an integral part of the story's DNA, shaping the characters' destinies and leaving an unforgettable mark on the reader's heart. The next time you pick up a romance novel, take a moment to appreciate the setting. Don't just skim over the descriptions, let them transport you. Feel the cobblestone streets beneath your feet, smell the salty air of the coast, hear the city's symphony of sounds. Because the setting, when crafted with care and intention, can elevate a love story from a simple romance to an epic tale that stays with you long after you've turned the final page. Happy reading, and may your next love story transport you to a world of beauty, passion, and unforgettable moments.